Now, after knowing about relative molecular mass and relative formula mass, these two, they are gonna help us. Now, we'll look at something known as the atomic mass, the relative atomic mass. We call it RAM, relative atomic mass. Now, the relative atomic mass is just the mass number. But how do you come up with a mass number? How come sodium has a mass number of 23? How come chlorine has a mass number of 35.5? So we'll look at that. Now, relative, the RAM here is always calculated like this. Every element has a percentage of occurrence in the biosphere, and that's what we call the abundance, the percentage abundance. So this is equal to the mass of that element. All right, so it's saying percentage abundance. Okay, then this percentage abundance will be multiplied by the mass of that element plus, it is usually, yes, plus, and if they occur 2 or 3, another percentage abundance, just like that. Now, when we talk of these occurring in nature, we call them isotopes. Sorry. You know that isotopes, these are elements that occur more than 2 or more than 1 in the ecosystem. All right, so they occur more than 1. And one of the examples I would give is chlorine. We have chlorine 35. Into this, we have chlorine 35. We also have chlorine 37. Each of these, they have a percentage of occurrence. Chlorine 37 has a 25% occurrence in the Earth, while chlorine 35 has 75% occurrence in the atmosphere. So when I get 75%, I multiply by this. I also get this, I multiply by this, then I add them. It will give me the 35.5 relative atomic mass we see on the periodic table. So I'm just trying to do for chlorine. So you have 75%, okay, times 35. Because there are 2 add. The other one is 25% over 100 times 37. So we can work around this. If you have a calculator by your side, you'll be able to punch. What I have here is just 0.75 times 35. Okay, plus 0.25 times 37. You punch on the calculator, it will give you 35.5. This is the mass number for chlorine. That's how come. Even for sodium, if you are, as long as you've got isotopes and their occurrence in the biosphere, you'll be able to find the actual relative atomic mass. So, end here. I'll see you in the next video. We'll start looking at them more.